I'm JT Wilkinson. I'm with FormLA Landscaping, where I'm a maintenance manager. We're a design build company that focuses on native gardens with a sustainable approach that's wildlife friendly. Our maintenance department looks a lot different than typical traditional landscaping. Um, we kind of do away with the mowers, the gas blowers, hedge trimmers, that type of thing. We do a lot of detail work. So my day-to-day is going through a yard, deadheading when appropriate. Obviously we want to leave dead seed heads on there for birds as well, but we do also want to promote as much blooms as possible as well. So we do a lot of sweeping of pathways, that type of thing. We are leaving the leaves anywhere we can other than on hardscapes, and just doing very selective structural pruning. You look on the site. Usually animals are leaving you a sign of where they use your garden and what they need out of your garden. If there are wildlife pathways already, don't disturb them. Plant around them. The animals are going to keep using them. Whether you plant something and try to obstruct it or not, you're just going to have trampled plants at that point. Another big thing is the variety. You want to offer them every habitat that they need, which is obviously shelter, protection from predators, and water and food. Obviously in SoCal we don't have a ton of just naturally free-flowing water, so we add a lot of water features, a lot of bird baths, and there's a lot of simple things you can do. We do shallow bird baths on the ground with rocks in them for a lot of insects and smaller birds that water features and ponds would be too much for. Another fun thing we do is we call them lizard hotels, which is just stacked rocks. If you're redoing your garden, you probably are pulling up small boulders, trying to plant a plant in that location. So it's always awesome to reuse that and provide habitat for the animals.